Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on a few tickers. First, let's take a look at ROKU. I've got the daily chart pulled up here, and you can see I threw up a trend line from this peak here at 490.76, and then when it rallied up to this level and rejected it, that point I threw up that trend line, just kind of showing a downtrend line that is being respected, and you can see it rejected it there. Another big bleed out, rallied up, tried to get there, couldn't get there, pulled back again. Rallied back up to the 21-day EMA here, tried to bust through this downtrend line again, no dice. Another sell-off to about 150, another rally up, and then zooming in here, you can see this is not the kind of price action we want to see. As this thing approached the 21, wick sticking out there, wick sticking out there, bearish engulf, another big bear candle here. We are heading into earnings. You can see the earnings on the chart right here coming up in 2 days. This is after market, so once the market closes, this earning info is going to come out. So, things could get a little crazy here with earnings. Of course, if they come out with some good numbers, some good guidance, this thing could blast off. And then if there is a miss, I think this thing is probably going to fall through this 139 level. So without earnings coming up, I would say for sure this thing is going to bleed out and test this 139, 140 level. But of course, with earnings coming up in a couple days, like who knows if it's good, it's going to bust through this 21-day exponential moving average, and it's going to bust through this downtrend line. But that's definitely what I want to see. I need the buyers to step into this thing. We can't go back down here and test this 139, 140 level. That's not going to look good. So if it does fall through the 139 level, closes below it on this daily time frame, I am taking that as a short entry signal. And then if it can, bust above this 21-day EMA and this downtrend line, that will definitely be a sign of strength. And then I would kind of be looking at, this thing making some higher lows and actually starting an uptrend. Let's also take a look here at ticker MRNA or Moderna. Geez, thing just dropped below 140 here. I was just looking at it a second ago, and it was trading above 140. Same thing, earnings coming up here. This is on the 24th though, so we still have 9 more days for the earnings info here. And you can see I threw up this trend line, and I think a couple videos ago I was talking about this key 150 level, and it sold right through that, and it is continuing to sell off. So definitely no signs of strength here. I think it's going to be, earnings is coming up here pretty soon. That could cause some crazy price action here, but I was predicting that this thing was going to come down and test 117, 118. So we'll kind of see what happens. If the earnings info is bad, then that's just going to accelerate the move down to 117 or 118. And then if some good earnings come out, maybe they have some good guidance, something like that, that could save it from coming down and hitting this 117, 118 level. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on Moderna and also ROKU. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.